Today I'm taking a quick look at the Qinux PolarBreeze, the portable, bladeless air cooler that's been all over ads lately in 2026. So I wanted to test the claims and see what it actually is in real life. It's marketed as a compact device that can cool your room instantly, runs quietly, and even replaces traditional air conditioning. Sounds impressive, right? Well, here's the reality. What you're getting is closer to a personal cooling fan than a real air conditioner. It does push out a steady stream of air, and for small spaces like a desk, bedside table, or a close-range setup, it can feel comfortable. But if you're expecting it to cool an entire room, that's where things fall short. Most of the cooling effect is just air circulation, not actual temperature reduction. Build quality is decent for its size, but it definitely feels like a lightweight gadget rather than a premium appliance. So is it worth it? Honestly, yes, but only if you understand what you're buying. As a personal fan, it's fine. As an AC replacement, not even close. That's my honest take.